Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Mira, and please don't forget to like it, subscribe it, press the bell icon for more notifications. So today's video is all about being real and being fake. Right hand side is the real Huda Beauty, on the left hand side is the fake one. So you can see there's a little bit color change in it. I hope you guys can see. The real Huda Beauty is little bit on the lighter blue, and the fake one, if you see, it's on the darker blue side. It's very hard to make out because light, if you see, this is on the lighter side and this is on the dark side. The other main difference is about the diamond. The diamond, you can see it's embossing here, you can feel the texture here, but in this case you can't feel any texture, it's a flat. So this is the other difference. Other than that, they have written same font and same everything, like Huda Beauty, Sapphire Obsession. It's very hard to make out, but the real difference you can make out by the color of the palette. The color is different, and the embossing, you can feel the embossing here, it's flat. So this is the real and this is the fake. So you can see almost things are written same, the ingredients are written same on real and fake, all the same. The third noticeable difference that I found is in the real it is written made in China, in the fake it is written made in PRC, and the ingredients are same. And the fourth difference, I can feel the website. Yes guys, I highly recommend to buy products from the website, because there are so many dupes in the market. You don't want to spoil your skin, or you don't know what chemicals or something that are used in it, because they write the dupes of the original, but you don't know what these palettes contain. So I highly recommend to buy products from the original website. So the website on the real Huda Beauty says hudabeauty.com, and at hudabeauty.com sc@real Huda Beauty. In case of the fake one, it says hudabeauty.com.cn and hudabeauty.cn. So this is the major difference I find. The website is wrong. Other than that, I feel that almost same. They have managed to do a good dupe. A good dupe, I must say. So when you open the palette, this looks like this. I hope you guys can see. This is the real Huda Beauty, and when you open the fake one, you can see something like this. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so I'm going to swatch the real Huda Beauty on the right side and the fake one on the left side. So let's start now. So the first color I'm taking is this one. So here, this is the real one. Okay, this is a dark navy blue. The first swatch of the real Huda Beauty, the fake one on the left side. See the difference between the real and fake? It's almost like similar. Oh my god, it's so hard. But the thing I felt while applying the fake one, that I had to apply 2-3 times. It is a little bit lighter than the real Huda Beauty one, but other than that, that shade looks so similar. Yes. So these are the swatches of the real Huda Beauty. You can see it. Swatches of the fake one. I must say, like, whoever did the dupe of it did a really pretty well job, because I feel like both of them are like almost like the same. So it's very hard to find out like which is real and which is fake. So if you want me to do tutorials on one eye makeup on the fake side and one on the real side, do send me comment and I will do a video on it. Love you guys. Stay safe and